Hello and welcome to Adrenal Repair. So today I want to give you a little tool that I use myself to help deal with tension within the body when dealing with like say panic disorder or depersonalisation, etc. When we're dealing with a lot of stress and trauma, it's stored in the nervous system, and the nervous system is directly linked to the muscles, okay, the functioning of the muscles. So if the nervous system's holding on to trauma and stress, then the muscles get tight. You really feel a lot of it up around the upper traps. That's a common area where people complain about when they're feeling stressed out, but also just throughout the whole system. And one way to naturally relieve that tension in the nervous system, have the nervous system to relax, is shaking. It is this shaking meditation that you'll find in the likes of Tai Chi and Qigong communities. It goes back hundreds of years. You see it a lot in the wild with animals when they fight. Afterwards they kind of shake it off really quick. You see them go into this kind of convulsion of shakes, and that's just helping that nervous system reset and the muscles to relax again. But we don't use this anymore. So I'd like you to give this a go, see how you feel, and in the comments below let us know how you got on. Alright, so basically it's straightforward enough. I just want you just to relax, okay, just standing tall, just nice and easy. I want you to shift your weight over to one leg and then lift up the other leg off the ground, okay? And all you're going to do is just shake the leg. Now you can set the timer for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, just one leg at a time, maybe for 30 seconds or so. But you can just leave a timer if you want for about 10 minutes. It's a good number to go with. And just walk your way through this process. I'll just make it short today, and then you can just do it in your own time. So again, just one leg at a time, just shake out the leg. You're looking just to feel those muscles just relaxing on the body and just flopping around on the leg. Okay, again, nice and easy. Maybe 30 seconds on each leg. A minute if it feels good. If you feel tired, don't worry, change over. Just shake about for a little bit. Then we're going to move on to the arm. Okay, just pick one arm and just start shaking through the wrist. Feel that hand loosen up. And it's a great way to start communicating with the body again. Okay, it's like a lost art. We don't communicate to the body as much as we would have in the past. Okay, so you're trying to sense the muscle on the forearm coming loose, your biceps and your triceps just shaking on the bone. Okay, feel that shoulder loosen up and onto the other arm. Same again, 30 seconds to a minute. Okay, so once you've done both legs and both arms, I want you just to stand nice and relaxed, knees soft. Okay, so the weight's going to be in the ball of the feet. I'm just going to bounce. Okay, with the knees soft, you're kind of bouncing through the knees. The heels will come up off the floor. Okay, and just nice and easy. Start feeling the shoulders starting to bounce and relax, and start feeling the muscles in the chest start to loosen. And once you start to relax the jaw, and really just start to feel nice after a bit. You really feel everything loosening up. And then if you want, you can close your eyes and really look for that internal feeling of the muscles just shaking and becoming loose. Try and feel that tension just leaving the body. Okay? You can do this any time in the day. Before you go to bed, it's great. If you anytime you just feel that extra tension, I still use it today. I used to use it a lot when I was dealing with panic disorder. Yeah, I recommend you guys to give it a go. And yeah, give me some feedback in the comments below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And yeah, hopefully you get the same benefits I got from this now, because I really did, and I still do, feel some great benefits from just shaking out and just loosen up that whole body. Okay, and you can control the tempo. You can be a little bit more aggressive with it, or just nice and easy. And this again, it's saying it's a form of meditation. It's bringing you back into the present, and that's what meditation is all about. Some people staying in a dark room and getting in with their thoughts might be, for me, I couldn't do that. That just, when I was in DP mode, that just freaked me out. I didn't like to be on my own and just focusing on the thoughts. This type of meditation, we're not focusing on the thoughts, but again, we're just being present and getting some communication going with the body. Okay, just another form. Give it a go and then hit me up afterwards. Awesome.